Hi guys, welcome to our part 10 for WordPress installation. So I think the site is 100%, maybe 98% done. We can see everything's fine. You can click on this post and you can see, you read through what you okay, and that's fine. So now one of the things we have to do is we must take out this. You can see this. Yes, we should take out this. We don't have battery anymore, so let's try to plug in our okay. So you created a site for the client, but now you don't want the client to see this, to powered by this guy. So what you have to do is, sometimes you use the plugin, sometimes you go to the code, but the best way is to go to the code. So you go to your cPanel and you click on File Manager. You go to your public HTML, then you go to your content, then you go to your themes, then you look for this. This is the theme we're using. These other themes, they came with WordPress. Then you click there and you look for footer. You can see the footer is here, and you do what they say, edit. So you can edit there. You say edit. Yes, we come here and we can see we're looking for that, but we can't seem to find it. So it has to be this is the function. They just call a function here. That means what we're looking for is not here unless if you take out the entire function. So let's try to do this. Let me see, go back. If we do comment this and we save, let's see the results. It might be something crazy which can even sometimes take out the entire site. If we refresh, we can see we still have that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and see. We try to, yes, we cannot do that, so we quickly gonna save this the way it was, because we can't find that. So we can go back and we look for another page. I think it might be in what they call the footer. So we're gonna go to content and we go to themes, then we go to this theme, then we look for function, this page called function, then we view that and we try to edit, try to find that some words. So if we can't find everything, so what can we do? We can try to search through and we say we're looking for footer, and we can't find anything here. So that is something which is gonna give us some headaches, but anyway, we'll manage to fix it. We're looking for just this word, powered by, and if we come here to these two and we try to find that word, we can't find it anyway. So we go to this, we try to find that word, and we can't find it. So guys, see you in part 11. That's when we're gonna find where that word is and how to stop it displaying there, or to change it to what we want it to look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.